Alright, so you may be wondering, wait, this isn't the usual dresser we're seeing, or whatever. Well, that's because I'm at a different place, and I have a new clock to show off. Yep. $75 for this. Now, to set it to the right time. Which is, and that in itself is going to be a long process, so I'll see you guys when it says 4. And 6. But we know it's past 6:30, so let's go ahead and go to our computer to set it to the correct time. And it is 6:54. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. We are going to listen to the chimes, hopefully, of this Adamantine style clock chiming 7 p.m. And there we have it.